How to fix Instagram music, no result found on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music, no result found on Android phone. First thing, just open settings. It's easy, just scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and just type here Instagram, click on it, and as you see here you will find permissions. Just enable all of those here and then scroll down, and here you will find storage, click on it and then clear cache and then force stop. Now just restart your phone and wait, click restart and then just go to settings and storage and click clean up. And here you will find junk files or cache. Just clean it, click on it and click delete, and then just go back and try it again, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.